Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon.
The A3500 features 5 program settings for smoothies, frozen desserts, hot soups, dips and spreads, and self-cleaning. A new programmable timer helps you create consistent recipes. It displays how long your blend has been running, how much time is left on your program setting, or stops the blender automatically when the time you've entered is complete. Add in variable speed control and pulse, and you can stretch your creativity with confidence. When it's time to wash up, the containers are self-cleaning and dishwasher safe. The sleek touchscreen panel easily wipes clean. Vitamix is the first to offer a complete system of containers with wireless connectivity. That means the machine reads each container and automatically adjusts blending times. So what are you waiting for? Grind, blend, create hot soups, frozen desserts, and more. Live a healthy life with flavor and gusto. The A3500 with a 10-year warranty. Part of the Ascent series from Vitamix.
Instant Pot Taste Nova Cooking Blender, hot and cold, 9 touch programs, 56 ounces, 1000 watts Colo, R silver material, glass brand instant, pot voltage 110 volts, wattage 1000 watts, easily and quickly make smoothies, icy treats, nut butters, nut milk, oat milk, soy milk and rice milk. Or customize the cooking temperature for full control when cooking soups, puree, sauces, dips and even baby food. Automatically keeps food warm for up to 2 hours. After hot blending, treat yourself. Easily make frozen treats, milkshakes, puddings, frappuccinos, cake and brownie batter, pie dough and more tasty smoothies. Zip through ingredients with this powerhouse. 25,000 RPM 10-speed customizable countertop blender, making smoothies nutritious and tasty. The smart program for cleaning removes most food and residue from the pitcher and blades in under 60 seconds. Any leftover mess is easily scrubbed away with the included cleaning brush. Patio drinks to your home. Make marvelous margaritas and other frozen cocktails with the crushed ice program. Hot tasty soups. Instant pot blenders give you thorough and even cooking with a hot heating element. Unlike blade friction, heating blenders accessories included patented 3-in-1 food damper, measuring cup and cleaning brush, and a food-safe machine washable strainer bag for making soy, rice, oat, and nut milks. 120-volt 60 Hz power supply. Please check your voltage. If not in North America, get inspired. Free Instant Pot app on iOS and Android devices is loaded with hundreds of recipes for any cuisine to get you started.
$1,200 watts of extraction power. Easy twist design for ultimate versatility. Multiple speeds for optimum control. Transforming ordinary foods into extraordinary nutrition. From the creators of nutrient extraction comes next level blending with endless possibilities. NutriBullet Blender Combo.
Take your blending experience to the next level this year by adding the Cuisinart Hurricane Pro blender to your countertop. This elite blender comes equipped with a commercial-grade 3.5 peak horse. your countertop.
Breville, BJB815 BSS, 3X Bluicer Pro, blender and juicer in one, brushed stainless, steel color brushed stainless, steel material stainless, steel brand Breville finish, type brushed item dimensions, LXWXH 14.1 by 15.7 by 17.7 inches. The Breville 3X Bluicer Pro is a blender and juicer in one, with a 3.5-inch wide chute, cold spin technology, 5 one-touch programs and 10 speed settings. You can extract fresh juice straight into a 50 ounces jug and create smoothies, cocktails and much more. The 3X Bluicer Pro's versatility allows you to blend, juice or combine fresh juice with blended mixes to enjoy all the nutrients, creating more vibrant, healthier creations. Maximize the freshness and get 3x the flavors, variety and fun. 5 one-touch programs. Use the Smoothie and Green Smoothie programs to enjoy silky and smooth textures. Turn ice into snow with Pulse/Ice Crush and easily fresh cocktails with the Frozen Cocktail one-touch program. Auto clean function for easy clean space saving design. Save space using one based blend, juice or Bluice, with the pulp bin located behind the brushed stainless steel base. The 3X Bluicer Pro features a new and unique, space-saving design for a better use of your countertop space. Kinetics bowl and blade system. The Bluicer combines the functionality of a powerful blender with some food processing tasks